What is going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back once again with a brand new video on Super Duper Tech. And in today's video I am going to be unboxing the Google Pixel 3a. If you guys are interested in seeing this smartphone benchmarked and compared against other smartphones around the same price point, then let me know down below in the comment section. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, the 3A comes in two different sizes. The first of these being a 5.6 inch display, which will set you back around £399. And if you guys are a fan of a larger display, you can pick up the Google Pixel 3a XL, which comes in with a 6-inch display at around £469. Also, an interesting thing to note is that there are no differences between the two models other than the screen sizes. But enough about that, let's crack the box open and see what comes included with the Pixel 3a. Now, I do like the unboxing experience of the Pixel 3a. This is as there are two pull tabs to pull which separate the bottom and the top halves of the box. And lifting away at the top half of the box does reveal the Pixel 3a first and foremost. Removing the smartphone from its packaging, we got our first look at what actually comes included with it. That of course being said, the first thing is of course the documentation envelope. And taking a peek inside, the first thing that you have is your SIM card ejection tool. Now that's followed up by a user manual, followed up by two Google stickers. Now the last thing to be included is details on your 1-year limited warranty. And of course, taking a closer look at the box does reveal a double-ended USB-C cable which has an approximate length of around 1 meter. Also included within the box is a USB-C to Type-A adapter, which will enable you to connect other devices up to the smartphone should you need to. Now, if there is one thing that I love about this product is that it comes with an 18-watt USB-C charger, which means you can get up to a 7-hour battery life off of just a 15-minute charge. Also, Google are quoting that off of a full charge, you can expect around 30 hours of battery life. I will of course test this claim and I'll report back to you guys with the full review. And that's it, that's all that comes included with the Pixel 3a. Now if you guys have enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit that like button, and if you are new around here, then be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload and release my new videos. Also, if you guys have got any questions or queries, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you could hit me up on my social media. Also, if you are interested in purchasing the Pixel 3a, then you can find links down below in the description section. Other than that, thank you guys very much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.